June 19th is our annual Fly Into Summer event, and that's the beginning of the year, or the beginning of the summer every year. It's basically the longest day of the year, so usually a great flying time of the year, long days. And we host our fly-in open house, and now that event is a much smaller event than our September event, which is our annual homecoming event. This is just kind of a morning fly-in. On the schedule, we're between 8 o'clock and 1 o'clock, and we usually get a dozen or so Zeniths flying in for that, so that's always a fun opportunity to see the airplanes, tour the factory, visit the factory. It's kind of a self-guided tour thing in the factory, very informal. Again, we don't have any structured events like dinners or seminars and that type of thing, but it's a good time to do some hangar talk, and we'll have a food truck out there as well to get a bit of food and enjoy ourselves. And immediately before that, the Thursday and Friday, we'll be holding one of our workshops events as well, the rudder workshops. So that's starting on Thursday morning. That will be the 17th of June, and then 18th, finishing up on the 18th. So again, if those of you that want an excuse to come out to Missouri in June, come out for that, do the workshop, come out for the open hangar days, and of course those of you that are flying Zeniths, more than welcome to come out and fly the airplanes, look at the airplanes, talk with builders and buyers. Yeah, it'll be a fun week. Absolutely, absolutely.